Hello everyone. Today I have a challenge before me, and that is I'm installing Windows 11 on this laptop. It's a DOS-free laptop, so I got a Windows 11, and I want to run Windows 11 on it. But where I am now, I don't have internet connection, and so Windows 11 requires internet connection during setup. So since I don't have internet connection, see, I'm at a fix with this installation. So how do I get past this? Now there is a way to do this, and that's what I want to quickly share with us all. Okay, so first I'll turn off the laptop, press and hold the power button until it goes off. Now it's off. Press the power button to turn it on again. Give it a moment. See, it's starting installation from this point. Select your country. Keyboard, I'll go with that. Yes to read. I'll skip this process. And then I'm back to this place. At this point, there are two methods that one can adopt to install Windows 11 without internet connection. One, you can use the command prompt to bypass the network setup in Windows 11 when you don't have an internet connection. When you don't have an internet connection, you can use the command prompt to bypass network setup requirements during the Windows 11 setup. And alternatively, you can open Task Manager and end the network connection flow process. This will skip network setup requirement during Windows 11 setup. To call up command prompt, here on the keyboard, I'll press Shift and press F10. So Shift plus F10 brings up the command prompt window. With the command prompt here now, you can bypass the out-of-box experience. Out-of-box experience internet requirement, and do out-of-box experience. It's not typing, so I have to click on the command prompt window before typing. So out-of-box experience internet requirement. So that's OOBE. Okay, so that's the command OOBE/bypass NRO. Okay, can bypass it, enter. All right. Okay, so we're going around the circle again. So I'll say yes to that. I'll choose my keyboard. I'll make it that. Okay, so skip that. Okay, so you see here, right here, you can see, take a closer look at it. You can see here there is an option. It says I don't have internet connection. Now this option did not come up the first time, so this wasn't there the first time. Now before taking that option to allow the setup to go through, we can look at the second method. Now the second method, which is the same, shift F10 to call up command prompt is there. So in command prompt you can type tax, click on command prompt window before typing, so type tax mgr. So I type on tax mgr or control plus shift plus escape, control plus shift plus escape. Okay, that brings up tax manager and the installation process. Okay, so that's tax manager. Okay, so while here you can go to process and in process you will see network connection flow. Network connection flow is usually under background process. So background processes, that's it. Can right click on it and end tax. Okay, once you have ended the network connection flow, network connection flow process and end tax, I'll close this and then see it has changed. So now it says who is using this. I just call it admin, click on next, continue. So this is how you can set up Windows 11 without internet connection. I hope this is helpful to someone out there. Thank you. So the setup has completed without internet requirement. Okay.